Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Don't forget this is your friend Shaka. In today's analysis, it will be based on VIX 75. For those of you who like to trade in volatility, 75 is another changing of decision because for some weeks now, the markets have been in downtrend, moving down. Trend followers have been in a very good profit chart, but the markets has been in a stage whereby we are thinking of another thing and we are expecting some changes from now onwards. I mean this week. So if you this is your first time being this channel, do yourself a favor and do me a favor also. Click on subscribe button, click on notification bell. Anytime we drop analysis or training, you get updated. And if you're a beginner also, this is a time for you to learn and also practice on your demo or even your live account. If you follow us about two or three trainings, two or three analysis we dropped. If you're confident on that, you can invest little money on your account. You trade as little as you can. You learn also key motion at the center. So without taking much of time, let's rush down the business. And we know that the market breaks here, support turns to resistance. That's the very area it was now. So what are we gonna do now? We pull our what? We pull our support. So horizontal line, which is resistance turns to support. I get my point. So we have to draw it in such a way clearly. Now, if you watch very well, the market has given a confirmation. I mean, this is a flying dragon. I mean, shooting star here. Understand? Is that a very area it turns to what? It turns to support, turns to resistance. So now resistance turns to support. Sorry. So now our thinking have changed. What are we thinking here? We're thinking that the market will go up again because it has reached an area, a vital area where it might move up. So this should be our area we'll be expecting. You know, this is daily time frame, 24 hours. All you need to do as a day trader, intra trader, is to go down to your 4 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, and look for good entry. And I want to make it clear for you now. If this is what we'll be thinking, let me give you a little sketch. This is what we'll be thinking. As the market has gone down here, we tested a support. We're expecting something like this. If it moves up and comes down again, we know that the uptrend have completed its phase, meaning that it have done series of higher high and higher low. Understand? So you were expecting it to go short, go long again, and comes back to the pullback area, right? Then you will do what? You draw your line. You draw this type of line, waiting for a retest. I draw another one again. I'm just giving you illustration. That's what we'll be expecting in lower time frame. I get a point. So when the market breaks off from this structure and moves up again, we expect retest, right? And we expect it to move up again. Just take a little time to watch it out. This is just a version of a sketch of what we expected. Now let's move down to live chart. Maybe 4 hour or 1 hour to know whether what we illustrated has become in existence in lower time frame. That's how you trade multiple time frame. And also in a situation like this, that's what you'll be expecting, because the market, we are expecting that the market have changed its phase. In 4 hours time frame, it's still okay. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Okay, thank you very much. If you can watch very well now, in 1 hour time frame, what we're expecting a retest in this breakout. That's what we were expecting. So if eventually we find any good confirmation candlesticks in this area, we do what? We go long. And bear it in mind, don't jump into trade because I said it retests the line. The line might not hold, but we are expecting any retest here and give us a good confirmation candlestick. We do what? We go short. We can move down to 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame to do what? To look if we can find any good area. Thank you. So now the market have retested it. Somebody will enter here. For those of you who are scalping, they have some entered here and have made a very good profit, and they has gone back again to retested it. But I wouldn't advise you to take this trade because it have retested it short time. And then remember that when markets retested a support or resistance within a short period of time, it might not hold. I get my point. So if you are expecting to take this trade, I will advise you to stay clear from it. Okay, the next thing we have to do in this type of markets in future, maybe tomorrow or in next 5 or 6 hours to come, is what we pull out our indicator, which is we pull out our indicator, which is MA, moving average. I will use 50 moving average here, and you can also add 30 moving average, 20 moving average. Whenever it retested it, you do what? You go long. It will give you confirmation, not that if you're texted you go long. It's never done. So always remember what I say. Don't just conclude that the market is in you have retested moving average, you enter the market, boom, it's quite sure. If you can see watch very well, the market has broken our 20 moving average. I'm going to point out. So this trend has been validated. Thank you. So what we were expecting now, our whole decision now for those of you who are swing traders and trend followers, is our focus in 4 hours time frame. Our focus is in 4 hours time frame where we will plan our trade. That's where we plan our trade. So as it's broken this structure here, the market has broken this structure. As it's broken this structure, we're waiting for a retest. Remember I told you that when it retested this line here, we look for higher high and another higher low, something of this nature. if it breaks it, we have confirmed our trend, and we wait for our entry on this retest pullback. Remember my point, you can use your trial stops to follow the market. Right, so this should be our entry here. So here should be our entry if it goes as we predicted. So thanks for watching. Do yourself a favor, click on subscribe button, share with your friends, comment, ask your question on comment section. I will not hesitate to answer your question. I'm a day trader. I stay in my computer all day long watching the movement of the market. You can ask your question anytime I see a comment. I will try as much as possible to clear your doubt. If you're a beginner, you can practice it on demo, and if you're a full-time trader, you can join us as well. Make a discussion, we share ideas. Thank you. See you next time.